Have you ever come across those AI image story videos on YouTube or Instagram Reels? As you can see, they are getting millions of views easily. I have come up with an idea to create these viral AI image story videos with a completely new AI tool that even generates a video script in a single click and offers various image styles to choose from. So in this video, I will guide you through the process of creating the same video. In addition, we'll be using ChatGPT to create some spicy, attention-grabbing scripts to keep your viewers hooked. I bet you won't want to miss a second, so watch till the end. Welcome to AI Upskill. First, let's look at what we are creating today.
Imagine a creature resetting itself to youth. In fact, this isn't some sci-fi fantasy. It's the wonder of Turritopsis dohrnii, the little marvel evading death by turning back time.
Introducing aicut, a powerful video generator tool that can create viral short videos in minutes. It offers multiple features, like fake text stories, PDF to brain rot, and much more. For today's tutorial, we'll focus on the AI image story feature, which is perfect for generating drama-filled, eye-catching videos. So head over to this tool from the description of this video and sign in with your Google account. Once you have completed your sign-in, you'll be brought to this friendly dashboard. Start by selecting the AI image story feature. We can add scripts directly from here. Or select the Generate Script option. Here, you can select the prompt template you like. As you can see, it supports nearly all viral story types. You can add your idea here and it will be converted into a script. So instead of struggling to come up with ideas, we'll use ChatGPT. I have created a prompt to generate the ideas, which will be in the description of this video. I've instructed ChatGPT to generate prompt ideas for all story types. With specific requirements, you can modify the prompt as per your needs. As you can see, ChatGPT generates prompts for all story types. For example, I will choose the Fun Facts prompt. So simply copy the prompt, return to aicut and select your preferred prompt template. It's Fun Facts in my case. Paste the ChatGPT prompt into the box below. From here, we can choose the length of the video. As of now, I'm going with 75 seconds. We can choose the language for our video from a list of options. Now, simply click the Generate Script button. aicut will analyze the prompt, and this is where the magic happens. As you can see, our script has been generated automatically. You can also make changes to your script as per your needs. Now let's customize the video section. From here, you can choose the aspect ratio of your video. For now, I'll choose 16:9. In the AI video mode, you can choose AI Video Pro. This will convert AI-generated images into AI-generated videos. However, it increases the cost of tokens. Sound effects and visual effects can be controlled from here. I'll go with them. Below are some image styles to choose from. So, choose the one you want. I'll go with Ultra Realistic. Now let's explore the captions section. From here, we can modify the position of our captions. Additionally, you can choose a caption style from the options given below. I'm going with this one. In the voice section, you can choose voiceover. Choose from OpenAI, 11 Labs, Custom, or Amazon. I personally like 11 Lab voices. You can even change the voice speed from here. So choose a voice according to your needs. Lastly, you can choose a background music for your video or upload it from your device. I'm going with Essence. So once you're also done with all of your adjustments, scroll down and click the Edit Preview button. This allows us to edit our video before it is finalized. Finally, click Create AI Image Story. aicut will start the video generation. To view its progress, simply click here. So let's fast forward the generation process. And as you can see, our video is now ready for editing, such as modifying the captions, voice pitch and its volume. Lastly, in the audio section, you can adjust the music volume. By clicking here, you can view a preview as well. Once you're satisfied, simply click the Render Final Video button. Let's fast forward the rendering process. And, as you can see, our video is ready. You can choose to re-edit the video. Share it immediately on your social media accounts. Alternatively, download the video by clicking the Download Video button. Here's a small preview of it.
Imagine a creature resetting itself to youth. In fact, this isn't some sci-fi fantasy. It's the wonder of Turritopsis dohrnii, the little marvel evading death by turning back time. So as we dive into this breathtaking virtual realm, you experience the life of this aquatic Houdini, shedding age like snakeskin. Now picture if we humans had this power. Who knows how chaotic our world might be with endless do-overs. But this jellyfish reminds us of the infinite mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Just imagine the chaos and charm of forever youth.
So, using the motivational prompt and anime as the image style, I created another AI image story video. Here's a small preview of it.
You're one decision away from a completely different life. Think about that for a second. Just one single choice could change everything for you. When you pushed yourself just a little bit further than you thought you could, when you kept going even when every part of you wanted to quit. But the truth is, it's not about talent, it's not about luck, and it's certainly not about waiting for the perfect time. The real difference between success and failure comes down to something much simpler, yet much harder to master: persistence.
When you first sign up, you will have 0 tokens. You can get 2 free tokens by joining their Discord server. First, do the verification process. Once done, message them in the free video tokens channel. However, it only works if the Discord bot is online. Additionally, the free version of aicut has certain limitations, and a watermark on your videos which can make your content look unprofessional. If you want to genuinely make money from your YouTube Shorts channel, then it's worth considering their subscription plans. aicut offers 2 plans: the Creator plan for $15 a month and the Automate plan for $39 a month. I recommend the Automate plan because it contains features like automatic video creation and posting, which can save your time and speed up your uploads. You can choose between monthly and yearly subscriptions and can even buy tokens separately. I believe it is extremely reasonable because you will get a wide range of features. So, to purchase a plan, use the link provided below. And that's how you can use aicut to create viral AI image story videos in just a few minutes. If you really want to go viral on YouTube or Instagram and earn thousands of dollars a month, I highly recommend giving it a try. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to AI Upskill. My goal is to deliver you with the best and most latest AI tools. Let me know in the comments which feature you are most excited to try, and I will see you in the next video.